बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। जियोग्राफ़ी रिलेटेड टू इस्लाम टॉपिक है आज का हमारा। इस्लामिक जियोग्राफ़ी हैड थ्री मेजर फील्ड्स: एक्सप्लोरेशन एंड नेविगेशन, फिज़िकल जियोग्राफ़ी एंड cartography and mathematical geography. Islamic geography reached its apex with Muhammad al-Idrisi in the 12th century. Why is geography important in Islam? The political power of Muslim rulers, imbibed with religious motivation, was indeed shaped by the graphical knowledge. Thus, geography has played a vital role in the lives of the Muslims, in spread of Islam and in their Islamic thought. What are the geographic areas of influence for Islam? Over a period of a few hundred years, Islam spread from its place of origin in the Arabian Peninsula all the way to modern Spain in the west and northern India in the east. What is geographical origin of Islam? Islam started in Mecca in modern day Saudi Arabia during the time of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam life. Today the faith is spreading rapidly throughout the world. What Quran says about geography? The Quran sketches a basic geography of scared and non-scared space and a cosmology of 7 heavens and equal number of layers of earth, with earth being surrounded and covered by two oceans, which influenced all geographical thinking in Islam. What does geography relate to religion? Geographers study the spiritual distribution of organized religious system, specific religious practices, and the impact of religion on the landscapes of culture and institutions. Religion tends to have a patchwork nature. Individual belief and practice is quite nuanced and intrinsic. Why is geography important in religion? Geography does not only affect where particular religion of belief is system, such as the world's major faiths are located, but it can affect how specific beliefs are practiced and behaviors that is encouraged. What is the geographical home of Islam? What is the geographical home of Islam? Saudi Arabia, Islam's heartland. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is the heartland of Islam, the birthplace of its history, the site of the two holy mosques, and the focus of Islamic devotion and prayer. Saudi Arabia is committed to preserving the Islamic tradition in all areas of government and society. What are the three most important places in Islam? While the significance of most places typically varies depending on the Islamic sect, there is a consensus across all mainstream branches of the religion that affirms three cities as having the highest degree of holiness in descending order: Mecca, Medina, and Jerusalem. What is the location of Islam? The main regions of the world with a permanently Islamic population are located in Central Asia, the entire Middle East of Western Asia, except Armenia and Israel, all of North Africa, and many countries in West Africa, South Asia, and maritime Southeast Asia. How did geography shape the lives of early Muslims? The geography shapes life in Arabia. Since Arabia is a desert, people were forced to travel from oasis to oasis. An oasis is a green grassland in the desert. Arabia is a peninsula, so people would come to trade. What does Islam mean in human geography? Interfaith boundaries, the boundaries between the world's major faiths such as Christianity, Islam, The Buddhism, Islam are religion based on the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which stresses belief in one God, heaven and hell, and a body of law written in Quran.